Alright guys, one of the tests we're going to be performing is a smoke test on the intake. You're going to want to make sure that your other exit ports are all closed off and capped off. That way you're solely focusing on this beast right here. They are notorious. You can find it throughout forums all over the internet for leaking on mechanical issues when you're diagnosing vehicles and problems. Alright, here's another big no-no. You got a spark plug wire, right? Steel braided line, right? What's that doing? It's going to rub a hole in it, cause an arc, going to cause a misfire. Same thing with this nitrous feed line. It's underneath the spark plug wire next to the flex fuel sensor. Right now the main focus is just to see if the intake is sealed in the motor. So let's turn on this smoke and see what happens. And if it senses a leak, it will only climb to so much. That's one thing I really like about the Blue Point, is it will stop. If it doesn't feel that it can make pressure, it stops. So you're not going to blow something up by adding more and more pressure to it, because it's just going to stop. Tape the exhaust off. Reason being is you still have rocker arms and push rods in the motor. So the valves are going to be open on some portion of the duration. Alright, the intake is passing so far with no leaks, which is fantastic. Now, for underneath the car, even though I haven't smoked it front to back, but just coming through the motor, it's leaking at the front joint. That's a tuning issue. It's leaking at the halfway point. That's a tuning issue. Not as much as it is on the front because of how close it is to the O2 sensor, but that's still an issue. And back there in the back where it goes together, it still complies, and that's another issue. Every inch you get closer to the O2 sensor is a major tuning problem. So that'll have to be sealed up better and addressed. And then I'll search for more leaks. Hope this was helpful. If you don't understand what this is about, scroll back in my videos. I did a complete session on this at LMR on another vehicle. It's titled How to Find Exhaust Leaks. Y'all have a great day. Thanks for tuning in and stopping by. Feel free to leave me a comment, ask me a question, and I'll catch you down the road.